This week you will be reading several short stories and poems about the journey. And what I mean by the journey is what Campbell calls the hero's journey, and that will be explained in a video later on. The first thing you're going to need to do is to read 3 short stories and 4 poems. Also, if you have not begun to read the Tortilla Curtain by Boyle, you need to do that by November 16th. This video will explain what I mean by the hero's journey. Just to give you an example, here is some information about it.
What do Harry Potter, Katniss Everdeen, and Frodo all have in common with the heroes of ancient myths? What if I told you they are all variants of the same hero? Do you believe that? Joseph Campbell did. He studied myths from all over the world and published a book called The Hero with a Thousand Faces, retelling dozens of stories and explaining how each represents the monomyth or hero's journey.
That's an introduction to it, but you'll find some more information about the hero's journey as you watch this film. After you have read all of the text, including the 3 stories and the poems, I would like you to answer the questions underneath the subject of thinking about the text. They are at the end of each story and each poem. Just to make sure that you understand about the poems, you only need to choose 2 of the poems to answer questions. And which 2, that's your choice. The discussion this week is, have you ever thought of your life as a journey, as a narrative with a beginning, a middle, and an end? Can your life be described or considered a quest, and does it have goals? Again, please read The Tortilla Curtain by November 16th. We will be doing a series of assignments on that, as well as an essay. Next week, you'll begin writing an essay on the journey. I've given you all the explanation. I gave you the explanation right here. So take a look at that. You may want to start that earlier than next week, so I've included it in this week's assignments.